You gotta have a dipping sauce usually with an egg roll. Look at this. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. So this is gonna be pretty easy. I've never done this before, but I'm gonna try something new. These are egg roll wrappers. This is corned beef hash. I'm gonna make breakfast egg rolls. Yeah, breakfast egg rolls. Okay, and the amount I'm going to put in here, I don't want to overstuff them. I want them to cook all the way through. So I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons. So these are tablespoons that I have here, and that's the way I'm going to do this. 2 tablespoons in my egg roll wrapper. Okay, so I have a beaten egg right here. So you moisten your edges. Moisten all the edges. Okay, so now we're going to fold them. You fold one side in, moisten the edge, fold the other side in, bring it over, fold it again, and again, just like that. And we have a little egg roll. Okay, so I'm going to do these, try to wrap them as tight as possible, and then we're going to fry them. And I want to see how it tastes. It's going to be kind of like an egg roll burrito, only different. Okay, so getting you guys a little closer. So right here, I'm putting 2 tablespoons. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Let me get this a little bit closer. We're going to bring it, stretch it out a little bit. Moisten those edges with the egg. Okay, all the way across, all the way. Then get your edges. Bring it in like that, bring it in like this. Try to wrap them tight. Just like this, like this. And there you go. Here's your egg roll. Right here, I have a hot skillet, plenty of hot oil. We're going to start making our egg rolls. Cook them until they're golden brown on the outside. I have it on a medium heat. So here's my egg rolls. I'm cooking them till they're a golden brown color on the outside because I want the inside to be cooked. That corned beef hash has to be cooked through. So this is coming out really nice. They're looking really good. Can't wait to taste them. So I'm cooking these for about 10 minutes. I have a cast iron skillet. It has the hot oil. I have it on a medium heat. The flame is a medium. Okay, so it's taking me about 10 minutes, and that's a good time to make sure that your inside is nice and cooked. And they're coming out beautiful. So just remember that if you have a thinner type of skillet, your oil will heat up faster. So you might want to lower the heat. It just depends on what kind of skillet. This is a thick skillet, so I'm going on a medium heat. But this is working out really good for me. And so here is how you eat these egg rolls. These are corned beef hash egg rolls. You get a kind of a runny egg. You got to have a dipping sauce usually with an egg roll. Look at this. Yummy. I'm having my husband take a nice bite. Look at this. The inside's nice and cooked. Very, very tasty. So these are corned beef hash breakfast egg rolls. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.